Alaikum, dear parents and students. Welcome to our second week of distant learning. I hope everyone is doing great and are keeping themselves safe. And we start with the science lesson number 3, map, land and water, pages number 98 till 101. Step 1 is to go through the presentation together, and I want you to have a paper and a pencil or a whiteboard and a marker, and also you can print out from the activities. There is a map of the park you can print out, and we can do it at the end of this lesson. So let's start with our learning intention. Identify maps to show where the land and water are on earth using keys. My success criteria is I can identify land and water on map. I can identify the continents and oceans on the map using keys. Learn about maps, symbols, map key, and compass by using the links which you will find in the lesson plans. There are links there that you can look at and understand the lesson much better. The world. This is the world. The world is round, sphere. We can see the world on a map or on a globe. A map is a drawing of the earth or other land on paper. A globe is a drawing of the earth that is round and you can touch and feel it. Directions. We can find things on a map or globe by using direction. There are 4 main directions. N stands for north, S stands for south, E stands for east, and W stands for west. Now, I want you to please keep your papers next to you, and can you write for me the letters, what I am saying, all the 4 directions, but in the sequence which I am saying to you in capital letters. N, E, W, S. Which word do you think it forms? It forms an acronym. So can you please tell me what is the word first? Amazing reading. So it is news. Now, I want you to tell me, what does NEWS in capital letter stands for? Mashallah, amazing critical thinkers. So they all stand for the 4 directions. So north, east, west, south. Now, I want you to think, what does this acronym which we have, ASCS, stand for? MashaAllah. Well done. So A stands for ambitious learner, S stands for self-learner, C stands for curious, and S stands for seeking for feedback. MashaAllah, everyone remembers the quality of an amazing learner. So now I want you to think and tell me, if you want to find the Qibla, what would you use to find the Qibla? MashaAllah. So we can use a compass to find the directions, and one of the direction is the Qibla. If I want to find the direction of the Qibla, I can use compass. Amazing. Well done. Now we will read the vocabulary words. So it's topic 3, lesson 3, map, land and water. Model. A model is a copy of something. So when we were making our project before our break, we made a model of volcano, we made a model of landslides. So this was a model, it was a copy of something, right? First we made it on a paper, we planned, and then we made a model of our plan. Now the second word is key. Now this is not the key which opens a lock. This is a key which we have on a map. So an explanation of a picture or signs on the map. So whenever you have explanation of a picture or sign on the map, you always have a key. It's a box you can find on the right or left side of a map which have pictures in them, and it tells you what those pictures stands for on the map. And then our third word is scale, is a way to compare the distance between two objects on the map and those some objects in real. So for example, if I have a map of a street, so can you hold the street in your hand? No, right? But can you hold the scale on your hand? Sorry, can you hold the map on your hand? Yes, we can hold the map on our hand because it's a piece of a paper which is a picture, a drawn map of the street, but I cannot hold the map in my hand. It is impossible. So the same way, when I'm making a map, I have a scale which tells you how much that distance which is on the map represents in real life. So for example, on a map, if there is a distance of maybe 2 centimeters, in real life those 2 centimeters might be equal to 10 kilometers. So this is what we use a scale for. Now let's look to continents. The world has 7 continents. A continent is a large area of solid land. The 7 continents are North America, South America, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Asia is the biggest continent, as you can see here, and Australia is the smallest continent. Which continent do you live on? Look at the map and think. Try to find the map of UAE, and what do you think? Which continent do you live on? Amazing critical thinker. So we live on Asia. So that's the continent that UAE is in. So now you can see around the continent that we have oceans. So we have different types of ocean: Pacific Ocean, Indian, Atlantic Ocean. These are the oceans around it, and we have Arctic Ocean. Now, let's go to the next page. Step 2, read science pages number 98 till 101, which is lesson 3, map, land and water, Earth's water and land. And step 3 is to complete the worksheet. So as I instructed you in the beginning that you can print this worksheet, which name is reading a map. The title is reading a map. And here we have a map of a park. And down here it says a map key. Remember I said key is not that key which opens a lock. This is a map key, the scientific one. And this one, so this bin equals to, it means that it's a trash. This one, it says it's a picnic table. This symbol is a stop sign. This one is a slide, and this one is a swing. So here, these key represents the pictures which are on the map, and it tells you what exactly these pictures are. It can help you. So now let's do some of the questions together, and the rest you can do it by yourself. And the question, it says, number 1, how many picnic tables are in the park? So first let's count together. 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 picnic tables in the park. And let's do the second one. Draw a circle around the swing. So let's find the swing. We have only one swing, so I draw a circle around my swing. So thank you so much. And these are the activities that you can do. So we have the world map also. You can color and label the continents, and you can also color and label the oceans which are around here. Thank you for listening. And now here we have additional videos for your better understanding. These are optional if you want to watch it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask your teacher, and we're here to help you out. Thank you so much.